right, so number 3 says label these arrays. So when we label the arrays, we're going to count the number of rows first. So we know we have 1, 2 rows. And then let me change my color, it's so light. 2 rows, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. So the number of tiles used, and then our array. We need to always write this number first, because an array is a row, okay? So always go with the number of rows first. So this is 2 by 7 array, and we know 2 times 7 equals what number? Get ready? 14. Okay, and so on the next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, or 4 arrays. And then across, we have 1, 2, 3 tiles across. Okay, so this array will be 4 times 3. So 4 by 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12. And we can count them to be sure, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, number 4 says use a crayon to trace a pair of perpendicular line segments in problem 3. Now remember, perpendicular line segments have what kind of angle? Get ready? Yes, a right angle. So we can color in a pair of perpendicular lines. We're just going to say this one and this one, but you could have chosen differently. All right, number 5 says find the answers. You can go ahead and do these on a piece of paper if you would like, and pause my video and then turn it back on to check your work. Okay, so go ahead and check your work and see how you did.